Imagine walking into your financial advisor's office, only to find out it's not a human, it's an AI avatar. That's not science fiction. That's Wall Street in 2025. Big banks like UBS are rolling out AI avatars to deliver financial briefings, analyze markets, and even answer client questions. And guess what? Most clients didn't even notice the switch. These AI avatars are powered by large language models, just like the tech you're using right now. They're 24/7, error-free, and lightning fast. Compared to humans, they don't call in sick or ask for a bonus. But here's where it gets wild. Some of these AI tools are outperforming human analysts. They're identifying trends faster, explaining complex ideas better, and making fewer mistakes. That means thousands of white-collar finance jobs already in danger, especially if you're an analyst, researcher, or advisor. So what does this mean for you? You've got two choices: fight the future, or learn how to work with AI before your job becomes the next domino to fall. Stick around, because in the next video, I'll show you the AI app that can replace your day job in 24 hours. And it's crazier than you think.